Welcome to my video. I am going to talk about how to access your computer from another location. How to access your computer from another location. In today's digital world, the ability to access your computer from another location is no longer a luxury. It is a practical skill that supports productivity, flexibility, learning, and efficient problem solving. Whether you are working from home, traveling, managing files from a different city, or assisting someone remotely, understanding how remote computer access works can save time and reduce stress. In this video, you will learn how remote access works, the tools involved, and the best practices that help you stay secure while connecting to your computer from anywhere in the world. Remote computer access simply means controlling or using your computer when you are not physically present in front of it. This is achieved through software and network connections that transmit your screen, keyboard input, and mouse movements over the internet or a local network. With the right setup, your remote computer behaves almost exactly as if you were sitting in front of it. You can open files, run applications, edit documents, and even troubleshoot technical issues without being physically present. To understand remote access clearly, it is important to know that two devices are involved. One device is the host computer, which is the computer you want to access. The other is the client device, which can be another computer, a tablet, or even a smartphone. The client device sends commands while the host computer responds and displays its screen remotely. This connection is typically encrypted to protect your data during transmission. Before using any remote access, Before using any remote access method, your computer must be properly prepared. The host computer must be powered on, connected to the internet, and configured to allow remote connections. Many operating systems include built-in remote access features, while third-party software solutions offer additional features such as file transfer, chat, and multi-device support. Choosing the right option depends on your needs, technical skill, technical skill level, and security requirements. One of the most important considerations when accessing your computer remotely is security. Remote access exposes your system to the internet, which means strong passwords, updated software, and security connections are essential. Using trusted remote access tools, enabling encryption, and avoiding public or unsecured networks whenever possible will significantly reduce risks. You should also ensure that your operating system and remote access software are kept up to date to protect against vulnerabilities. Remote access can be used in many practical situations. Professionals use it to continue work outside the office. Students use it to access school files from home. IT technicians use it to support users without being physically present. Business owners use it to monitor systems while traveling. These use cases show that remote access is not just a technical feature, but a, a, pro- but, a productivity a productivity tool that adapts to modern lifestyles. As you learn how to access your computer from another location, it is helpful to practice it is helpful to practice in a controlled environment. Testing your setup while both devices are nearby helps you understand the connection process and troubleshoot issues before you truly need remote access. This preparation ensures that when you are far away, the connection process feels familiar and reliable. At this stage, if this video is helpful, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook also to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you don't miss my next video. And engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Remote access tools vary in complexity and functionality. Some are designed for beginners and require minimal configuration, while others are more advanced and suitable for professional environments. Regardless of the tool you choose, the basic principles remain the same. The host computer must allow incoming connections. The client must authenticate securely, and the connection must be stable and protected. Another important concept is network connectivity. Remote access can work over a local network or across the internet. Local network access is typically faster and more secure because it stays within the same network. Internet-based access allows you to connect from anywhere, but depends on internet speed and stability. Understanding your network environment helps you choose the right configuration and troubleshoot connection issues effectively. Firewalls and routers also play a role in remote access. These devices protect your network by controlling incoming and outgoing traffic. Sometimes, firewall settings must be adjusted to allow remote access connections. This does not mean disabling security features, but rather allowing specific trusted connections. Proper configuration ensures accessibility without compromising safety. Authentication is another critical element of remote access. Most remote access solutions require a username and password, and many support additional security layers such as verification codes or device approval. Strong authentication prevents unauthorized users from gaining access to your system. It is recommended to use unique passwords and avoid sharing access credentials. Performance is a common concern for remote access. Performance is a common concern for remote access users. The quality of your experience depends on factors such as internet speed, system performance, and display settings. Lowering screen resolutions, disabling unnecessary visual effects, and closing unused applications can improve responsiveness. These adjustments help ensure a smooth remote experience even on slower connections. File access is one of the most valuable features of remote computer access. Yes, I repeat, file access is one of the most valuable features of remote computer access. You can open documents, copy files, and save changes as if you were working locally. Some remote access tools also allow direct file transfer between devices, which is useful when you need to move files quickly without using external storage or email. Remote printing and peripheral access are additional features that enhance usability. Depending on the software, you may be able to print documents from the host computer to a printer near your client's device. This feature is especially useful for professionals who need physical copies while working remotely. Audio and video support can also be part of remote access. This allows you to hear system sounds or participate in voice communications while connected. These features are helpful for presentations, remote meetings, and technical support sessions where clear communication is essential. When using remote access regularly, developing good habits improves both efficiency and security. Always log out of remote sessions when finished. Avoid saving passwords on shared devices. Monitor access logs if available. This habit These habits reduce risks and ensure that your remote access setup remains reliable over time. Troubleshooting is an inevitable part of remote access. Connection failures, slow performance, and authentication errors can occur. Understanding basic troubleshooting steps such as checking internet connectivity, verifying credentials, and restarting the remote access service can resolve most issues quickly. Patience and systematic checks are key to identifying and fixing problems. Remote access also raises questions about privacy. When accessing your computer remotely, be mindful of who else might see your screen or hear audio from the host computer. Using private environments and secure connections helps protect sensitive information. Awareness of your surroundings is just as important as technical security measures. As technology continues to evolve, remote access tools are becoming more powerful and user-friendly. Cloud integrations, mobile support, and improved security features make it easier than ever to stay connected to your computer. Learning these skills now prepares you for a future where flexible and remote work is increasingly common. In conclusion, accessing your computer from another location is a valuable skill that combines convenience, productivity, and modern technology. By understanding how remote access works, preparing your system, preparing your system, by understanding how remote access works, preparing your system properly, and following security best practices, you can confidently connect to your computer whenever you need it. This knowledge empowers you to work smarter, respond faster, and remain productive regardless of your physical location. Finally, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook also to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you not miss my next video. Also, engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Endeavor to watch my other videos also to learn more. Bye until my next video.